Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the kitchen. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated sausage stuffers. One of the ways to get more protein in while still being able to enjoy a variety of recipes on the go is by turning it into a sausage. If you're not new to the sausage making game, then you probably already know how caulking guns and other handheld grinders, but if you're really serious about making a hot dog-like mix, you have to gotta try out sausage stuffers. In this video, we have compiled the 7 top-rated options on the market with features like burger press, speed adjustment, and a variety of diameters for different portion sizes. So clean up your countertop and let's meet the next addition to your kitchen tools. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the sausage stuffers that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options so that you'll be able to decide on the ideal choice. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first sausage stuffer in our list is the Hakka Brothers Sausage Stuffers, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. Whether you're making sausages from wild boar, deer, goat, turkey, or squirrel, the 7-pound capacity of the Hakka Brothers Sausage Stuffers can help you prepare for your picnic or dinner. This unit measures 22.05 inches in length, 9.84 inches in width, and 12.99 inches in height, with a weight of 19.8 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 2-speed adjustment. Enabling you to release the plunger quickly, this product has 2-level speeds with a new gearing system for easy refilling. Full stainless steel body. All parts of the stuffer are made with food-grade stainless steel material that pass standard global services for food hygiene standard. Versatile size options. This package offers 4 different diameters that range from 2/3, 5/8, 1 1/4, and 1 1/2 inches, so you can make different sausage lengths. Easy to clean. With a removable and tiltable cylinder design, you can easily clean this product and make sure there is no more meat residue for your next use. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is the cavity has a tendency to clog up meat, so make sure to clean the vessel every after use. The second sausage stuffer on our list is the STX Turbo Force 2 electric meat grinder, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. Mixing a meat auger with advanced variable intake technology in a high-volume feeder tray, the STX Turbo Force 2 electric meat grinder easily supports grinding soft bones such as quail, squirrel, rabbit, and chicken bones. In terms of dimensions, it's 17 inches in length, 8 inches in width, and 12 inches in height, with a weight of 13 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: burger slider press. With the wax transfer sheets that work with a burger slider press, this product is perfect for moving around burger patties to your grill or freezer. Foot-activated pedal. Coming with a new hands-free operation, this unit has a food-activated pedal so you can grind or stuff meat even when you're doing other kitchen tasks. Durable meat claws. This package includes durable meat claws, so if you're not satisfied with how fine your stuffing is, or if you're picking up hot food, you can easily pick it back up. Heavy load capacity. Providing you with 3 pounds capacity, this item can be used for grounding and stuffing a lot of sausage links. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is the grinding function is quite loud, so make sure that your housemates are awake when you're using this device. The third sausage stuffer in our list is the LEM Motorized Sausage Stuffer, which our team at Trusted Shopping Guide has awarded a 5-batch rating. For hands-free operation, the LEM Motorized Sausage Stuffer uses a unique electric foot switch that works seamlessly with other features. As for the size, it has 17.75 inches in length, 45 inches in width, and 14.72 inches in height, with a weight of 43 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 8 different speeds. With variable speed control, you can lower and raise the piston to adjust between the 8 different speeds from slow to fast, so you can stuff at your own pace. Easy cleanup. You can easily fill and clean the vessel with its sturdy stainless steel body and removable cylinder. Multiple tubes. Offering 4 stainless steel stuffing tubes, this product gives you an option of 1/2, 5/8, 1 or 1 1/4 inches diameter. Heavy loading capacity. If you're preparing a food pallet for a big event, you can trust this product's 30-pound loading capacity in making a lot of sausage links. Keeping all of that in mind, The important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is this product needs to be clamped to the surface for a steady operation. The fourth sausage stuffer in our list is the FENG Sausage Stuffer, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. To help you enjoy the filling process better, the FENG Sausage Stuffer has carbon steel gear, which makes sure your gears won't get jammed up or slip when you're putting in meat. It's also equipped with a suction cup base, which secures its grip on your kitchen table. In terms of its dimensions, it has 15.51 inches in length, 5.75 inches in width, and 5.67 inches in height, with a weight of 4.93 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: various filling nozzles. This product has various filling nozzles with 4 stainless steel tubes and 4 free bonus plastic tubes. It comes in sizes of 14, 18, 21, and 25 millimeters in diameter. High load capacity. With a capacity of 2.5 pounds, this unit can stuff not just sausages, but also hot dogs, bratwurst, and more. Stainless steel body. Built with durable stainless steel, you can trust this product to stay on your countertop for a long time since it won't bend or rust over time. Ergonomic valve. Allowing the air to escape without breaking up the sausage, this product has an air-release silicone piston on the cylinder to make the stuffing job easier. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is the detachable parts are a bit more prone to breaking if you're using it for heavy-duty tasks, so make sure that you're using it on a sturdy surface. The fifth sausage stuffer in our list is a LiebHome sausage maker, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. If you want to make multiple sausages at once, you should definitely give the LiebHome sausage maker a chance. The main barrel is sized at 8.6 inches in height, with a weight of 0.4 pounds, so you can use it for making both sheep and pig sausage covers. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: easy installation and use. With this item, you only need to put the funnel and the meat fillings together, put it into the sausage barrel, and turn the handle screw to the bottom to start the sausage making process. Safe materials. This product is made with food-grade BPA-free plastic that is durable, safe, and sanitary. Multiple size options. You can enjoy different size options from the thick, middle, and thin funnel since this purchase includes 3/8, 5/8, and 6/8 stuffing tubes. Quick cleanup. With a wide upper diameter, this item is extremely easy to clean with warm water or wet wipe. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is some users say that this product is not ideal for heavy-duty use because the meat tends to stick to the plastic material. The sixth sausage stuffer in our list is the Fantes sausage maker, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. From Grandma Louise's jumbo ravioli to Cousin Emily's meatball pasta, the Fantes sausage maker has all the features for you to complete your whole palate. It has a profile that is 16 inches in length, 4 inches in width, and 5 inches in height, with a weight of only 2.2 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: easy to use. To start your sausage making process, you only need to slide the meat into the canister and turn the handle to fill. Secured material. This product is made with aluminum and plastic with a suction base that guarantees a sturdy surface for any non-porous countertop and guide casing to prevent any breakage. Variety of size outputs. The 3 nozzle sizes of 15, 19, and 22 millimeters in diameter included with this purchase allow you to make sausage links of varying thicknesses and diameters. Easy to clean. Providing you with parts that are easy to clean, you can leave this product in a dishwasher. You can even leave it in a soap water solution before hand washing it. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is the suction cup doesn't anchor the meat output long term. The 7th sausage stuffer in our list is the Weston manual vertical sausage stuffer, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. Featuring a pressure valve that stops your casing from spilling and making a mess on your countertop, we have the Weston manual vertical sausage stuffer. This product weighs 16.75 pounds, so you can carry it around for cooking competitions and camping, and it has a profile of 13.75 inches in length and width and 22.5 inches in height. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: heavy load capacity. Accommodating 7 pounds of meat, you can use the upright stainless steel canister for fresh sausage links, bratwurst, or bologna. Durable housing. The coated stainless steel housing and rubber feet of this unit give you added stability so it won't wobble while you're processing meat. Quick loading. With canisters that tilt swiftly and work in tandem with heavy-duty, dual-speed steel gears, this item has rapid loading and pressing mechanism. Easy cleanup. This product has parts that you can disassemble, make it easy to clean and maintain thoroughly. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is the pressure valve is quite narrow, so it might be a little bit more demanding to clean. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated sausage stuffers, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next sausage stuffer roundup that you would like our team to test, to drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.